Hi, my name is Becky Marquez, and I'm going to be going over the sheep brain. Uh, so here I have my sheep brain. Um, Back here we have the spinal cord and the cerebellum. So this would be my frontal lobe, my parietal lobe, occipital lobe. Um, so if we're looking at it like this, again, frontal lobe, the side would be parietal lobe, temporal lobe would be right under that. Uh, we also have the cerebellum, which is down here, and the pons. Okay, my sheep brain's already cut, so there's a line right here. This line is called the longitudinal cerebral fissure. So cerebral fissure, it's a shorter word. We also have the cerebral hemisphere, which is all this here. All these little black lines you see, that would be the cerebral hemisphere. So my sheep brain has already been cut. It's a little hard to see here. Let me try to adjust. So just due to lining, it's a little hard to kind of see what I'm looking at. So here in the cerebellum, this, if you would see closely, you can actually see the gray matter and the white matter. So there you can kind of see it a little bit here. So right here, once we go down to the cerebellum into the spinal cord, we have the midbrain, and the pons are located right behind the midbrain. And this here little short thing here is our spinal cord. The corpus callosum, you can actually see it as this white line here. That is our corpus callosum. Another part of the brain I'm trying to go over is the arbor viatae, V-I-A-T-E, is also here. You can actually see it's like a tree-like. If I put it here, you can actually see that. So that would be here in our cerebellum. Our medulla oblongata is actually located back here, right after the pons. We also have if we're looking at it here, our parietal lobe would be here, our frontal lobe would be here, and our occipital lobe would be here. We also have some nerves, which is actually really hard to see here, but they would be about here. So this is our sheep brain. The spinal cord is a lot shorter in a sheep brain. It's also, and the cerebellum is located in a different location due to anatomical position. The sheep brain is also covered with a shed-like skin, which has been removed already from my sheep brain. I'm trying to see if I'm forgetting anything. Oh, so right here we have our thalamus. It's actually located right in here. This is our thalamus here, okay? And again, we have the midbrain, we have the pons, and we have the medulla oblongata. So this is my short video showing you my sheep brain. And once again, we have frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital. Okay, thank you for joining me on my sheep brain dissection.